everyone, and welcome to our segment, Best from the Best. Today, we are testing one of the most essential products in the world of makeup and skincare, which is none other than makeup removers. And I have chosen two of the best makeup removers in the market. Number one, Garnier Miceller Cleansing Water, and Be Good E-luminence Simple Supple Cleansing Balm by Plum. So the actual price for this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is rupees 349 for 400 ml. And when you buy this online, you'll get it in more reasonable price as well. And the price of the Plum Cleansing Balm is rupees 545, which comes in 90 grams of package. And this product also, you will get it in a more reasonable price when you purchase it online. So I have been using this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water for quite a long time, and I like this. It does a pretty decent job. But this will be the first time for me using the Plum Cleansing Balm. I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, so I'm gonna see like how does this perform today. So both of these products are made safe, recyclable, and cruelty-free. So I will be using the Plum Balm on the right side of my face and the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water on the left side of my face, so that it'll be easier for me to compare which one works best as a makeup remover. So first off, I'm gonna try the Plum one because I'm really excited to use this one. Oh, it has a tiny spatula inside. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I'm gonna open and use it now. So I'm gonna take out the product using this tiny baby spatula. I hope this is enough to remove a half side of my face's makeup. So yeah, this is what the texture looks like. It looks like a paste, but I heard when we melt it, it will like really melt the makeup. Oh, it really melts really well. Oh, this is really nice. I'm like rubbing really gently and everything is coming off really easily. And same thing goes with my eyebrows. I love this already. It's melting all my makeup and it's coming off really, really nicely. All right, I'm Halloween ready now. So I'm gonna take this off, this side first. Wow, guys, oh my god, I am loving this balm. It is giving me a natural, healthy glow. Even after removing the makeup, it's not drying or it's not really harming the skin. I mean, this is very moisturizing, and my eye makeup, this balm is amazing because usually with makeup removers, I had to use about 3-4 of cotton pads to just remove my mascara, but this, just with one gentle rub, everything's off, and I love this already. Now it's time for the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Let's go. So this was my first cotton pad, and I'm going in with the second cotton pad. It's almost out, just a little eye makeup is left. So yeah, let's remove it. So I'm done using both of the makeup removers, and I have a lot of things to say about both the products. Let me start off by the Plum Balm. The Plum Balm has a pasty, thick, rich moisturizing texture. I would recommend this for people with dry skin and people with who have like acne and pimples. I suggest them not to go for this one because it'll just irritate the acne more. But however, my skin type is normal. It's just my T-zone, which is oily over here. So I would definitely go with this Plum Balm. And talking about the Garnier Miceller Cleansing Water, I would recommend this for people who have oily skin. Both of them are excellent makeup removers. Both of them performed really well. But yeah, like I said, for dry skin types, I would suggest you guys choose the Plum Balm, and people with oily and acne-prone skin can use the Garnier Micellar Water. So this was it for today's episode. I hope this video is insightful for you guys. And also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Select by Pinkvilla. And I will see you very soon. Bye!